Hey viewers, welcome to my channel. Today video is very important. The program we are using today, it's very useful. It saves our time and daily working on AutoCAD. When you are working on new drawing or you have no data of this blank drawing and how to copy or import that data from one drawing to another drawing where you want to, and the program allow us multiple items from a list of it may depends upon user to choice of list. You can copy or import from one drawing to another. You can copy or import blocks, layers, line types, dimensions, styles, text styles, leader styles, line styles, layout, page setup, and user coordinate system, name of groups, views, layers, state, scale, material, name, viewports, drawing properties, and custom property. The interface allows us the user to import multiple items from several collections and without restarting the program. Before watching this video, support to our channel, and let's start. First we open the blank drawing. We click on plus sign here. It's work. And we have 0 layers and dimension style standard. It's blank. We have no dimension style and no layout. We check here individually, and first we upload command, use here AP, enter, and select the lips program and load it. It's work, it's loaded, and close it. Now we use still command. We select a village drawing here, and we can select the format DWG, DWS, and DWT format. Village drawing and open it. Here is a layer. We copy layer, import, and layout, import, and dimension styles, import, and block, import. Done. Let's check. We one layer imported, and this drawing we make one layer. Check another drawing, STEAL, steel all. Click on steel all and select the column plan and open that. Let's check the dimension style. Enter the all dimension, import it easily. We set one dimension here to check. It's work, and here are many layers imported. All layers we copy easily from one drawing to another. And let's check the viewport. The viewport column, layout, viewport, and other structure, arch. Easily copy from other drawing. This lips is very useful. You can use for when you planning on a new drawing, you have no dimension styles and you have no layer styles. You waste your time on making a new layer style and other data. Thanks for watching.